people, fat people, fat people, fat people.
Just put it in here. Nah. This is what my face looks like.
How's it coming?
Right. Alright, yeah. There should be no flame. Okay. Back up.
Is it gonna explode?
It shouldn't explode. It should just build up with crazy amounts of smoke. Wish it wasn't.
Dude, it looks like green smoke. It's like brown or something.
Yeah, it's like, it's the rust, I think. Oh my god, dude, everything's gonna turn orange.
Smell that? That's carcinogen.
You're whistling?
Dude, it's like it's
No! Put that back down. What's that sound?